If a, b, c be any constant and f, g, h are any functions of t, then Laplace of a f of t plus or minus b g of t plus or minus c h of t equals a Laplace of f of t plus minus b Laplace of g of t plus minus c Laplace of h of t here. Now there is the second property, first shifting property. If Laplace of f of t equals f of s, then there are 2 points are involved. Laplace of e raised to minus at f of t is equal to f of s plus a. Again, Laplace of e raised to at f of t equals f of s minus a. Now we will study some of the examples depend on these two properties. Consider the question, find Laplace transform of f of t equals e raised to minus 4t into sine of 3t upon 3. So here we first find out the Laplace of sine 3t upon 3. Laplace of sine 3t upon 3, which equals 1 upon 3 Laplace of sine 3t. Now according to the standard result of sine of at, we get the answer 1 upon 3a. The value of a parameter is 3 here. 3 upon s square plus s square. So here we write down plus 3 square. Now after simplification we get the answer 1 upon s square plus 9. Now we use the first shifting property. So what is the first shifting property? Laplace of e raised to minus at f of t equals f of s plus a. So here 1 upon s square plus 9 is the value of f of s, or it is the answer of the Laplace sine 3t upon 3. So we simply replace the value of s parameter by s plus a. Now here in our question, Laplace of e raised to minus 4t f of t equals, now here we replace the value of s parameter by s plus 4. So final answer is 1 upon s plus 4 whole square plus 9. So this is the answer. Now in the question number 2, f of t is equal to t cube into e raised to 2t. So actually here two properties are involved. One is you will find the answer by using the first shifting property as well as multiplication by t raised to n. So here we use first shifting property. So t cube into e raised to 2t can be written as e raised to 2t into t cube. So first find out the Laplace of t cube. Laplace of t cube. Now according to the formula, Laplace of t raised to n. Answer is n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. So here we find the answer, Laplace of t cube is equal to 3 factorial upon s raised to 3 plus 1, which equals 3 factorial upon s raised to 4. Again indicate these answer by f of s. Now use the first shifting property. So here e raised to 2t, that means positive term is involved. So we use the property Laplace of e raised to at f of t is equal to f of s minus a. So by using this property, Laplace of e raised to 2t f of t equals, the value of a parameter is 2 here. So replace in answer the value of s by s minus 2. So here we get 3 factorial upon s minus 2 raised to 4. Now consider the third one question. F of t equals e raised to minus 2t sin of h 3t minus e raised to t cos of h 2t. So here we use linearity property as well as the first shifting property. But before that, find out the Laplace of sin of h 3t and cos of h 2t. So here we first find out the Laplace of sin of h 3t is equal to a, the value of a is 3, upon s square minus a square. So which equal to 3 upon s square minus 9. And now Laplace of cos of h 2t equals s upon s square minus 2 square. So which is equal to s upon s square minus 4 here. Now use the first shifting property as well as linearity property. So we will directly write down our question. Laplace of e raised to minus 2t sin of h 3t minus e raised to t cos of h 2t equals Laplace of e raised to 2t into sin of h 3t minus Laplace of e raised to t into cos of h 2t. Which equals, now here s upon s square minus 9, we replace the value of s parameter by s plus 2. So our answer is 3 upon s plus 2 square minus 9 minus, now for these s is replaced by s minus 1. So s minus 1 upon s minus 1 square minus 4. After simplification, we get the answer 3 upon s square plus 4s minus 5 minus s minus 1 upon s square minus 2s minus 3. Now suppose f of t is equal to e raised to t into cos square of t. So here we first find out the trigonometric result for cos square of t, which equals 1 plus cos of 2t upon 2. Now find out the LT of these function. So here therefore Laplace of 1 plus cos of 2t upon 2 equals 1 upon 2 Laplace of 1 plus Laplace of cos of 2t. So which equals 1 upon 2, Laplace of 1 is 1 upon s, and Laplace of cos 2t is equal to s upon s square plus a square. So the value of a is 2 here. So write down 2 square. Now indicate these answer equal to f of s. Now find out the Laplace of e raised to t into cos square of t, which is equal to Laplace of e raised to t into 1 plus cos of 2t upon 2. Now in our answer, that means here we replace the value of s parameter by s minus a. So here the value of a is 1. So in answer we replace s by s minus 1. So we get 1 upon 2 in between bracket 1 upon s minus 1 plus s minus 1 upon s minus 1 whole square plus 4. Now after simplification we get the answer 1 upon 2 1 upon s minus 1 plus s minus 1 upon s square minus 2s plus 5.